We are starting our next adventure, Atlantic to Pacific, starting here at Huntington Beach State Park in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
After an amazing trip with family in Myrtle Beach, we headed back to Tennessee to load up the RV we call Maggie for our 3-month West trip. After leaving Tennessee, we kicked off our grand adventure at Arrowhead Campground in Johnston City, Illinois. Join us on this grand adventure. Kicked off our grand adventure at Arrowhead Campground in Johnston City, Illinois. The sun was shining and our spirits high. We were ready for our adventure to begin. We were fortunate enough to get a campsite right next to the 30-acre lake. Took advantage of the beautiful evening and hiked the 2.5-mile trail that circled the lake. During the hike, we even caught a glimpse of the elusive Bigfoot. Later that evening, we captured a breathtaking sunset, a moment forever etched in our memories. Our next stop was also our first harvest host at Alto Vineyards in Champaign, Illinois. We found a nice RV spot in the large grassy area they provided right next to their building. Alto Vineyards, not far from the University of Illinois campus, opened in 2001 and offers a unique harvest host experience. Most harvest hosts require boondocking. Here is our first setup using our Anchor battery with 30 amp plug and a 200 watt solar panel. Worked perfect.
So Alto Vineyards, where our first harvest host is located, going to do a tasting before I decide which wine I want. Starting here is Shawnee Gold, Heartland Blush, Black and Blush, and Cherry Berry. So we'll see which one I choose. That one's good. Nice sweet white, kind of like a Niagara. Let's see, Heartland Blush. It's good. Definitely sweeter than the Shawnee Gold. Black and Blush. Definitely taste the blackberry. It's going to be hard. And cherry berry. Definitely taste the cherry in that one. I'm going to have to think about it. This is our first harvest host visit, and we are at Alto Vineyards here in Champaign, Illinois. We did a wonderful tasting, a flight of 4 drinks, and then also purchased this bottle of wine, which is the Heartland Blush. It was hard to choose, but this is a winner. Our first harvest host. We are from Christiana, Tennessee, on our way west.
Here we are at Sky High Campground, just over the border in Wisconsin. We got a pretty small site right up here on the hill, just behind those cabins. Just made it. Had to park the truck parallel. A lot of cabins, more sites, campground, mini golf. Got a pretty good view way out there, but it's cloudy right now. It's basketball, swimming. There's our check-in. More cabins, RV sites up here. Very nice. Weather was 94 degrees this morning and now it's in the 60s. Here's our site on top of the hill. It was just down below, just through there. Had to back it in twice. I came in from this direction, didn't work. There's literally a tree right in front of the campsite. So just went back out that way, went around and pulled it in the other direction. Just eliminate the tree. Got back in, almost level. As we left Sky High Campground, we ended up at Hoffman Park in River Falls, Wisconsin, due to lots of rain at our scheduled harvest host, Forrestville Vines Vineyard, once an 1897 one-room schoolhouse. We still went and toured the grounds, Rhonda did a tasting, and even bought a bottle of wine for Sarah.
We're stopped tonight in River Falls, Wisconsin. We came about 10 miles south to Ellsworth, which is the cheese curd capital of Wisconsin.
Hoffman Park in Wisconsin. Rivers Falls. River. Where is it?
River Falls.
River Falls, Wisconsin. Go up here. Go up here to the dump station. And we're heading on our way to Minnesota. Happy Christmas.